on, Luigi. Oh, Mario, I'm hungry. Can we please stop to eat? I'm hungry too, Luigi. But there's no food. There's no food out here for miles. That's true. But I'm really hungry. Well, so am I, Luigi. I guess we're gonna have to wait until we find some food. That's right. Oh, well, let's go. Okay. I see a block up there. Wait here, Luigi. Okay. Whew, there's the block. Yahoo! Ooh. Yeah! Back here. Oh, mushroom. Finally. I'm so happy. Oh. Huh? Oh. Luigi, it's my mushroom. I'm sorry. Hey, Mario. Oh. Huh? Mario, look out! Huh? Oh. Mamma mia! Mario! Are you okay? Mario? Mario? No. No, Mario! Oh, Mario! Stop. Oh. Oh no. He's gone. I'm sorry, Mario. Oh, Mario. I'm so sorry I killed you. It wasn't really my fault. I think it was your fault, but I can't really blame myself. Oh well, I guess I'm gonna have to fend up for myself without the brother. Oh well, I have to find some food. That shouldn't be too hard, right? Right? To be continued in the next episode of Ouija's Hungry Adventure. Who said that? Oh, I did. Oh. Whatever he said. Get out of here.